This video demonstrates the setup for the MetaMask wallet to connect to the Spectrum network to use Spectrum SMT, Mesh, and MLT tokens. MetaMask is a multi-chain wallet that can connect to most EVM and other blockchain networks. MetaMask can be used to send and receive any EVM and ERC tokens like SMT, Mesh, and MLT. Use the MetaMask wallet to sign off any transactions with decentralized applications or dApps. So let's get started. You can download MetaMask from their official website, metamask.io, and install it as an extension on your browser or as an app on your phone. Simply click on download and see install MetaMask for Chrome, iOS, and for Android. Once it is installed, you will see this Get Started screen. If you already have a wallet, like a Tango wallet, you can import it into MetaMask via this option using the secret recovery phrase. Let's go ahead and create a new wallet for now. Here you see a video explaining some options to secure your wallet. You can spend some time going through it later. Click Next to proceed, and here is a secret recovery phrase for your wallet. You must never disclose your secret recovery phrase to anyone, as anyone with this phrase can have access to your wallet. So for now, let's click the button to continue. So this is the account I had just created. By default, MetaMask connects the wallet to the Ethereum mainnet when a wallet is first created. In order to send and receive Spectrum tokens like SMT, Mesh, and MLT, we need to connect MetaMask to the Spectrum chain instead. Let's add Spectrum network in MetaMask here. You need to click on Add Network, and in the form, you will enter the network name, RPC URL, and chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL of Spectrum. Let's name the network as Spectrum. Here is an official website for Spectrum Block Explorer, https://spectrum.pub. You can find Spectrum RPC URL and chain ID from our airdrop campaign article. We will list all the information and links below the video. Enter the currency symbol as SMT, and here's the official SmartMesh website, http://smartmesh.io. Once you save the network, you'll be able to see SmartMesh tokens in your MetaMask wallet. Now you can share this address with anyone to receive SMT tokens on the Spectrum network. The next step is to display MLT and Mesh tokens in this MetaMask wallet. To do so, we need to import tokens here. On this form, we will enter the contract address for the token. Again, we will list the address below. You can also check this contract address from https://spectrum.pub. The token symbol is MLT and the token decimal is 18. Click Add Custom Token to complete the import token process. At this point, I have no MLT tokens in my wallet, so it's showing 0. As you get back into the account, you will see both SMT and MLT in the assets. You can repeat the same process to import Mesh tokens into the MetaMask wallet. Here you enter the contract address for Mesh, token symbol, and click Import Tokens. So this is how you can set up a MetaMask wallet to access SMT, Mesh, and MLT in the Spectrum blockchain. Thanks for watching.